Students, I shall start first poem Ice and Fire by Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser's it is a sonnet and entitled Ice and Fire by Edmund Spenser. It is a love sonnet of the type that was fashionable in Elizabethan England. The sonnet Ice and Fire is from Edmund Spenser's Emirati, the collection of 89 sonnets. And Ice and Fire is the 30th sonnet out of 89. Emirati sonnets are addressed to Elizabethan Boyle. The sonnet shows the sad plight of a devoted and dejected lover who finds his lady love hard-hearted and cold. And the result is that he does not find any response from her. He makes rhetorical questions to himself, as in the concluding couplet he says that the power of love in good and refined minds is so great that it can change nature, natural phenomena. So he does not make any complaint against his beloved, because he is sure, he is confirmed that the power of his love will one day succeed in changing his heart. First, we read our lines. My love is like to ice and I to fire. How comes it then that this her cold as great, her cold so great is not dissolved through my so hot desire, but harder grows the more I her entreat? Or how comes it that my exceeding heat is not allayed by her hard frozen cold, but that I burn much more in boiling sweat and feel my flames augmented manifold? What more miraculous thing may be told, that fire which all things melts should hardens ice, and ice which is concealed with senseless cold should kindle fire by wonderful device? Such is the power of love in gentle mind that it can alter all the course of kind. The poet starts this sonnet with a comparison. He compares himself with fire and his beloved with ice. The poet means to say that he has deep, passionate feelings for his beloved, but she is very hard-hearted and cold. The result is that on account of heart-frozen coldness, he is unable to get any response from his beloved. He says that it is a natural phenomena that when ice comes in contact with fire, it melts away. But in my case, in poet's case, it is totally difficult. He is very shocked to see that his beloved's coldness remains unaffected in spite of his extreme heat and passionate feelings. And his beloved's heart is getting harder and harder instead of lessening coldness. Even then, his love for his beloved is increasing more and more. In other words, my passionate feelings, poet says that my passionate feelings for her has reached to the climax in spite of her coldness. He makes rhetorical questions to himself that it is happening against natural phenomena, that his beloved's behavior is becoming more rough and cold, but he does not make any complaint to his beloved because he is sure, he is confirmed that one day he will get success with the he will get success with the heart of his beloved. In the last two lines, he focuses uh, that love in good and gentle persons has so power that it can alter, it can change the natural phenomena. In other words, he means to say that one day his love definitely change the heart of his beloved and he will get success. But at present, his passionate feelings finds no response from his beloved. And instead of lessening his coldness, it is increasing his hardness. Thanks.